The dude in the black ain't going nowhere.
Say what now? Yeah, they got a couple of them. He can't do one dude. There you go. Every time he shoots, he hit that he hit the wheel. Yeah, boy.
There you go. There you go.
They had one, he lapped the other guys.
You're in trouble.
Did you see how that one did it really in the beginning, David?
Yeah, he was trying to catch him now. He stalled out like twice. Yeah, I think, what you call it, Brandon and them, they get together.
They're going to race at the end, Jake. Here they go.
Brandon and them.
They're going to race at the end.
Oh, okay. I know they talking about meeting up somewhere.
There they go. There they go.
No, I got New Year's with me tonight. I got Yeah, I'm going to the party. I got some tickets. I think we trying to get rid of two of them.
One of them.
Well, one of them. We got an extra ticket. Yeah, she got an extra ticket. One. Alright.
Oh, the blue, yeah.
There they go. There this is the race.
Damn, I didn't get that on film. Shit.
Oh my God.
Got it. All right.
Oh my God.
I didn't see it. He was already flipping.
People out here.
Yeah, it took 2 weeks to build a 5 minutes. That nigga got big time.
Who threw a pig?
One of them over there. Get to the pig. That's badass right there.
That was painful.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
That looks like a go-kart. Nah.
Can you imagine cutting the grass with that?
Whoa.
In Virginia?
5 minutes.
Somebody threw it.